Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Saturday evening. It's about 11:49 p.m. if my computer is correct. And we are currently, sorry about those little pop-ups there. We're currently kind of in a pullback pattern right now. It looks like the top 6 coins I'm about to give you analysis on, yeah, they're all red. We were green earlier. We had a little bit of a run earlier, but we've since kind of retraced back down a little bit. But before we get into today's episode, I want to remind you guys again that by the end of the month, if I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to randomly draw somebody to get 50 XRP. That's 50 Ripple. That's 50 tokens, not $50 worth, but 50 tokens. And then I'm going to give you $25 worth of Bitcoin if I get to 500 subscribers by the end of the month. So please remember, if you like the episode, please remember to click the check mark for like, and please subscribe. I really want to give you guys some free money. Well, let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Like I said a minute ago, it looks like we're kind of red right now. You know, we're kind of having a little bit of a pullback, which is okay. Where the number 6 is Bitcoin Cash as usual. It's got a market cap of $2.652 billion at $150.07 a coin. Right now we're down about 5.28%, which is not too bad. Let's go ahead and take a look at your 24-hour on Bitcoin Cash. And BCH is looking, yeah, actually look at that. It looks like it's actually pretty flat. You know, looks like you had some ping pong going on here. This is a high point here. It looks like we got all the way up to about, this is going to be your highest, I think. Let's see. 158.60. We'll see what this point is here too. 159.44 is going to be your highest actually. Then you retrace down again. Kind of a little bit of sideways here, then you go back up again, and it looks like you have a little bit of a dip here back down to 149.40. So you know, it looks like we're back to 150. So you know, just a lot of sideways. We had a little bit of a bump up there earlier, I'd say around 7 or 8 o'clock in Missouri time, but you know, other than that, things are kind of tapered off a little bit. It's kind of slowing down a little bit. But anyway, let's go ahead and go to number 5, which I believe EOS is. Yes, that's right, EOS. EOS has a market cap of $419 billion. Excuse me. And it looks like you got a price of $3.77 a coin. And we are up 1.50%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. Okay. Computer's running a little slow tonight, guys. Sorry about that. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Okay. There we go. Go ahead and look at the 24-hour on EOS. I don't know why it's not. Hold on, there we go. Try to refresh it here. There we go. Okay, like I said, we're down 1.47% for EOS. Get back in the 24-hour chart. Yeah, a lot of ping pong back and forth, guys. For EOS, it looks like it was pretty flat back here. Then you kind of, let's see, you were up at, if I can get that box out of the way, 385. Then you took a dip down here to about 380, and then we started going back up again, 383. So it looks like 385 is going to be about it for EOS today. That's your highest point. And your low, 370. I think 370. I'm going to call 377 your low. Let me check. Yeah, 377 is going to be your low. So really not a whole lot of action going on with EOS today. Maybe up a few cents here and there, but EOS is looking pretty good. It's holding its own. And that's the thing I've noticed. Like I said last night, I'm noticing more, you know, you're going to have you got to remember when you have these run-ups, you're going to have times where the coins need to pull back a little bit in order to give them room to grow. But, you know, we're just kind of in that period right now where, you know, we're not going to really make some huge gains until I think some really big news comes out. Or until this consolidation period time runs out, which I'm thinking is going to be in the next week or two. So we'll go ahead and check that out. Number 4 is going to be Litecoin, I believe, for your next coin, and I would be correct. Number 4 is Litecoin at a market cap of 3.710 billion, and you are at $60.92. I think we got up to about 61, maybe 62 for Litecoin today. Right now we're down 1.41%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour chart looks like this. Yeah. Pretty much the same pattern, guys. A lot of ping pong here. Kind of took a little bit of a dip here. I want to call your lowest today at Litecoin. Let's see, 60, 68. Let's see, what is it back here? I think 60, 68 is going to be your lowest. And right around here is your highest, which is 61. 61.96 is going to be your highest for Litecoin. But other than that, guys, just a lot of ping pong action, a lot of back and forth sideways trading going on. We've been stuck in this channel for quite some time, but I'm really glad to see that, you know, last few weeks we've been in the $51 to $55 range for Litecoin, and now we're starting to move up into the $60 range. Now, I wouldn't be surprised in the next few days, maybe even tomorrow, if we see a dip back down to, say, I want to say 54, maybe 51. I've been saying 51 for a few days now. But me personally, if I had some money, I would rather wait till it goes down to about, say, 55, 54. Then I might feel a little bit safer, because right now you're getting to the point where it's overbought and you want to kind of stay away from it. Let it retrace down again, then get back into it and just ride the next wave up, and you'll make some money. But let's see, like I said, let's see, this will be your highest, 61.88. So Litecoin's looking really good, a lot of nice volume. You're looking really good for Litecoin. Let's go ahead and go to number 3, which is my favorite coin, XRP. Well, that's one of my favorites. I'd have to say, guys, that Ethereum, XRP, and Litecoin are my favorites. So let's see, XRP. We've got a market cap of 13.129 billion, and we're at 31.3169 per coin. We're down 1.16% right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And it is as follows. Yeah, pretty much, well, XRP, yeah, a lot of ping pong, a lot of back and forth, guys. I think around here is your highest point for today. About 32 cents. And your lowest is going to be actually, it looks like this is your lowest. 316 is your lowest. And guys, I'm thinking in the next few weeks we're going to be testing the 35 cent to 40 cent range. So if I were you, I would just hold on and be patient. I know right now for XRP it's boring. Some people are saying it's going to hit $10 because we just have a lot of mass adoption right now going on for XRP, I'm sorry. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff going on. You got a lot of banks using XRP now for their systems. I mean, it is just going to be a really, really wise investment, and you'll be glad that you held on. So just hold on as much as you can. Let's go ahead and see what number 2 is, which I believe it is Ethereum. And I would be correct. Your Ethereum coin right now has got a market cap of 14.679 billion. And you are at 139.45 a coin. And right now we're down 2.37%. And let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And the 24-hour is looking as follows. Please let me know, guys, if you can see these charts okay. If not, I will go ahead and try to readjust it as much as I possibly can. There we go. Okay. Okay. I'm hoping that's better. Okay, sorry about that, guys. All right. In Ethereum, yeah, looks like the same thing, guys. A lot of ping pong, a lot of back and forth here. I think back here actually is one of your highest points for Ethereum today. Looks like we got up to 143. 143.97 I think is going to do it. Yep. And then you start to retrace down again. Got down to about 141. Let's see, 141.18. Then you go back here. I'm going to call 139.32 is your low point for today. And right around here, 143.72 is your high point. So Ethereum, as I said yesterday and previously, I think we're going to be at 160 real soon. We're starting to test the 140s. We're slowly but surely moving out of the 130s. So I'm thinking that pretty soon we're going to be hitting 150s and 160s. It's just going to be a gradual climb up, guys, but we just, like I said on the last coin, we just got to be patient. Let's go ahead and take a look at number one, which, can anybody guess? I think that's going to be Bitcoin. And I am correct. Wow, we actually have a market cap of 70 billion, 645,000. Excuse me for that. And we are currently at $4,015.52. We are down 0.78%. And let's go ahead and take a look at that chart, that 24-hour. And your 24-hour is looking as follows. Yep, a lot of ping pong, guys. A lot of ping pong, a lot of back and forth here, a lot of sideways trading. I want to say 4,068.92 is your high. Let me see what this is. No, 4,073. Oh, wait a minute. 4,077.04 is your highest. Let's see what this is. And 4,010. So you had a chance to make a little bit of money with Bitcoin today. But, you know, with Bitcoin, as I said before, I think you're going to see a $5,000 Bitcoin sooner than later. So if you are a holder of Bitcoin, hold on to that as well. Let's go ahead and see if there's any interesting news out there right now. Sorry about this, guys. I should have my shit together, but I don't. Excuse my language. Okay, come on, machine. Hurry up. There we go. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and refresh it and see if there's anything interesting out there. Yeah, will Ripple close above 40 cents? Momentum is building. Let's see what this says here real quick. Okay. Okay, Ripple price analysis fundamentals. The only way of heaping pressure on President Maduro and his cronies is if there are stiff financial measures that will help dry up his taps on the presidential crisis that has brought much suffering to Venezuela's. The Trump administration is considering imposing sanctions on Venezuela. So it looks like the Venezuela thing is going to really cost some stuff for Ripple here. Let's see. Well, I'm not sure, so don't take my word for it. Let's see. But I've heard there are some things that are going on with Venezuela that's going to influence Ripple here. Let's see what it says here. Trump's plan of imposing financial sanctions on Venezuela's elites could, sorry about that little pop-up there, could backfire, affecting ordinary citizens. However, it justifies the need of shifting to a decentralized ledger that is global and resistant to local politics. Ripple's XRP ledger is one of them. So they're saying that Ripple sounds like it could become a currency for Venezuela. Well, I'm not saying that it's going to, but that looks like what it's saying. So remember, anything I say, I'm just take it with a grain of salt. This is all stuff I'm just reading on Google, so don't invest on what I'm saying. But anyway, Let's see if there's anything else here. Blah, 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 blah. Candlestick arrangement. Okay, no. Okay, even with increasing demand, Ripple XRP prices are ranging inside around a 4 cents zone. We think, or we have mentioned before, we expect strong breakout now that prices have been oscillating between 30 cents, 34 cents region. Since buyers are in charge, the 30 cents stable support, the only time traders can begin loading up is once there is a definite close above 34 cents. So we want it to close above 34 cents. Accompanying this break should be high transaction volumes forming at the base of our spring towards 60 cents November 2018 highs. So guys, it looks like they're saying we're going to possibly hit the 60 cent range for XRP. So as I've said in the past, just be patient. The big breakouts are coming. And please remember also about my little giveaway at the end of the month. If I have 100 subscribers, you will get 50. That's 50 tokens, not $50 worth, but 50 tokens, 50 coins of XRP. I will send them to your wallet. And I will give you, if I get 500 subscribers by the end of the month, you will get $25 worth of free Bitcoin. Well, guys, I think I've rambled on long enough. It's Saturday evening. I hope you guys have a great evening. This is Jason Binky with Crypto Vision signing off. Y'all have a pleasant night.